Let's make this super easy Dollar Tree wreath DIY. You can do this for summer, spring, which is good for now, or you can do it for any time of year. You would just change it out. So I have one of those wheels from Dollar Tree. They have them in the wreath section. I painted mine pink. You can leave it as is. I'm taking a pool noodle also from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to cut a little section of it and then cut straight down so I can wrap it around. If you want to cover up more of your wheel, you can make a bigger piece, but I just wanted just a little section on mine. It's going to be hard to curve. So just to make this easy for you, you can cut it into sections and then just glue it closed, let that dry. And then this way it'll be easier because we're putting so many flowers on it. You won't really see that gap right there. I'm going to take some faux florals from the Dollar Tree. You can get them from Walmart, from a whole bunch of different places. I'm going to pop them off the stem and then put them in. You can poke little holes in your pool noodle to make it easier for them to go in. And then I'm also popping off the greenery part and then just adding it around. You can add a mix of florals. You can do this in any color you want. Like I said, that's why this is great, because you can do this for any season just based on what you want it to look like. You can also add ribbons and different things. I'm not the best bow maker, but this is just a simple, easy bow. I just wanted to show you can make and pop that on there. I didn't add a lot of ribbon to mine, but you can, and it'll give it just another effect, make it look nice and fuller. You can add just whatever you want. You can add little pieces. This is great for like Christmas time if you wanted to do something like this and then add in little ornaments and stuff. But we're doing this right now for summer and for spring. So I have these metal butterflies. They are in the Dollar Tree. So they have these with hooks, without hooks. I just grab these two right here and I'm just going to put those on, just hot gluing them in place. They are called wall decor, so but you can use this right now for the wreath, and I just think it gives it just another cute little detail because they are metal. They're pretty. They do have paper ones too if you want to grab. And then I'm taking a piece of ribbon to hang this. You can just hang it right there on the pieces, but just to give it just another little extra detail. And this is how it came out. It is something so easy and so simple that you can do. You can customize it to fit in with your style, your home decor. You can add in different little pieces, but I hope this gave you some inspiration to go out and make yourself your own little custom wreath door hanger for the season.